खम्मा गढ़ी, आप सबको खम्मा गढ़ी। पधारो मारे देश, पधारो मारो राजस्थान और पधारो मारो कैंप।
Hi everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 12th of February and currently the time is around 1:30 and we are on our way to the Some Sand Dunes. So the Desert Festival is going on and today is the 4th day and the last day, and all the functions which are going to be happening on the last day are happening in the sand dunes. So we are going to see that. So we have booked a stay at the Lee Royal Desert Camp. So we are just on our way. So the distance of the Some Sand Dunes from Jaisalmer is like 40 kilometers, and to cover this 40 kilometers we have hired a scooty. So this is the scooty which we have hired. We did get a car but we preferred scooty. So well, that is there. So we are on our way at the moment. So let's continue the journey. So we have arrived here at the Lee Royal Camps. So we are still outside in the parking area. So we are parking here, and this here is the reception area. So we'll go inside now and then I'll show you the room and the surroundings. So we are done checking in. Okay, so like the procedure is done and now we are going to our room. So this area what you'll see, so here there are like functions at night, so programs happen which I'll show you all at night. Okay, so look at how beautiful resort it is. So this actually comes this is like a 5-star resort. So this is it. Beautiful arrangements are there here. You see such sitting arrangements. Nice place. So they also have a swimming pool right there. Let's see if we'll go or no. We are actually very tired, so we'll just prefer some rest. So these are the rooms, and that one there is ours. So I'll just give you all a room tour now. So that's the pool area, and right here is our room. Okay, so it's a tent. This is a deluxe tent and this is where we are staying. So let me give you all the tour now. So outside here we have the sitting area, and we can use that as well if you want to just sit outside. So now let's go inside.
खम्मा गढ़ी, आप सबको खम्मा गढ़ी। पधारो मारे देश, पधारो मारो राजस्थान और पधारो मारो कैंप और डेजर्ट कैंप.
So right here we have a double bed, okay, and then here there is a single bed. Then right here we have a chair and table, the AC, and they have also provided 2 water bottles. Then on the sides of the table we have 2 lamps, okay, and now I'll show the other part. So this right here is a dressing table, and there right there is the washroom and the bathing area. So this is it. It's like quite big and spacious, okay, and right here in the corner is the wash basin, and they've also given the basic amenities like you have the soap, shampoo and shower gel. So well, so that was the small room tour, okay, and हाँ बोलिए, आपको क्या बोलना है, बोलिए.
आप सबसे सविनय निवेदन है, जब कभी भी राजस्थान पधारें, आप हमारे जैसलमेर में पधारें, कुछ भी कैसी भी सेवा हो आप हमको याद करें, हमको एक सेवा का मौका दें. कैसे भी कैंप की व्यवस्था चाहिए हो या कोई बाइक की या गाड़ी की या किसी रेस्टोरेंट में, हमारे पास सारी हर चीज़ की बहुत उम्दा व्यवस्था है. तो अपने इस प्रार्थी की एक बार सेवा का मौका दें. इसके साथ धन्यवाद.
So that was the room tour. So it is around 4:15 and we are now leaving for the desert safari and also to see the desert festival. So now we have booked the desert safari not from the resort, like usually you get it in the package, but we have not booked that package. So we have booked it from outside and now we are leaving. So let's see now how this desert safari goes. I'm like super excited for this thing.
चलो दिलदार, मिलते हैं बाद में. चलो दिलदार, चलो.
So this is the jeep in which we are going to be doing the desert safari.
अरे पानी पिया ऐसे हुड़ 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 करके ना.
So we have now left, okay, from here, from our resort, and on our way to the where?
For the jeep safari, desert jeep safari. Oh my God, ये पहले से ही.
मान देखे गान देखे जयपुर का तू थान देख रा 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 ए चोरा रा 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 ए घुमर घुमर घूमे घूम 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 झुमर झुमर झूमे झूम 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 रंगीलो 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 राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान. रागर बागुल झूल झूल के गीत मैं गालूं भूल भूल के मूल मूल रामोती माथे धूल धूल तो जमगी है भूल भूल ना बड़ा वर खातिर रूल भूल ना छोड़े रे भूल झूल में फंस गया सारा अरे भूल झूल में फंस गया सारा भूल भूल आ होगी है रे जोगी रे रोगी रे जोगी रे रोगी रे ना होती जो बात पे होती होती होगी रे होती होती होगी घुमर घुमर घूमे झुमर झुमर झूमे झूम 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 रंगीलो 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 राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान. भाव देखे पुच्छो को देताव चोरा रा 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 ए चोरा रा 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 मान देखे गान देखे जयपुर का तू थान देख रा 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 ए चोरा रा 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 ए घुमर घुमर घूमे घूम 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 झुमर झुमर झूमे झूम 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 रंगीलो 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 राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान घूमर घूमर घूमे घूम 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 झूमर झूमर झूमे झूम 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 रंगीलो 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 राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान मारो रंगीलो रंगीलो राजस्थान
So now after a very adventurous jeep safari, we have now finally reached here at the location where this desert festival is happening. So there are various competitions and all going on, and right now we have come here to watch the camel racing. Okay, so I'll just show you all once. So this is the location where the camel racing is going on, and we are here. Okay, so just walking towards the venue. Well, it's not that easy to walk here on the sand. Okay, and that too with if you all are like wearing any footwear like slippers and similar kind of something. Okay, and you all can see there in the distance is where it's happening. So let's go and check out the camel racing. First time I'm going to be seeing such a thing happening. So the desert festival happens like every year for 4 days, and as I had said previously that today is the last day, and we were like we didn't know that, you know, when we will be visiting Jaisalmer the desert festival is going to be organized. So it's like complete coincidence that we have come and the desert festival is going on. So we consider ourselves really lucky that we are getting to see this. Okay, so I have now almost reached to the venue, and the races have like already started. Okay, it's going on, and like there's a lot of crowd here who has come to see it. So here you all can see all the camels lined up. Okay, and these are like, and mostly it's the local crowd, and there are tourists as well, but majority is the local crowd only.
सब अलग अलग एक साथ तो दौड़ ही नहीं रहे हैं। ये कहाँ है, कहाँ है, कहाँ है, कहाँ है?
ये जाको आज छाटने में आया ना, छाटने में आया रही है। रोक तो नहीं, छाटने में जाको ले रहा हूँ। जाको छाटने में ले रहा है तेरी। छाटने में ले रहा है। छाटने में ले रहा है। नहीं यार, पकड़ लो। ए पकड़ लो यार, पकड़ लो यार।
Even small kids here know to ride a camel. So just like how we are watching the race, even these other fellow camels are also watching their own friends, camel friends racing. It's like quite fun to see. It literally looks like even they are watching the race. time is like 6:30. Okay, and all that camel race and all is over. Amidst this golden sand, a beautiful orangish sunset happening. Okay, and well, you all can see the crowd. Just how many people were here to see this festival. Okay, so the festival is still not over. There are still a few more shows left, which are going to be after 8 now. So we are not going to wait to watch those shows, nor will we come back from a resort to see those shows, because there are, you know, like cultural programs happening in our resort as well. So we are going to stay back and watch them. And another thing is that we are now leaving from the desert and going back to our resort, because now there is nothing much to see. And as I said, the sun is also setting. So we want to reach back before it starts getting a bit cold. The temperature right now has like started to drop now. So, and we are not even carrying any jackets or whatsoever. So we are just hoping to reach there as soon as possible. So yeah, I'll now show you all the adventurous journey again back to our resort. So we are now climbing all these dunes to go back there on top. It's so hard to walk on this sand. On every step, like your feet just sinks in. So this is the whole spot. Whoa, a Splendor. Look at how fast that guy is riding a Splendor in this sand. Guts. The guts these people have to ride a Splendor here in such sand at that kind of speed. Interesting. Oh. So fast they are driving over here. Wow, the sunset is about to happen and it's so beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. People are literally holding on to for their lives. And there in the distance you all can see, oh, this one, another bike. Wow. So well, there in the distance you all can see all that fogginess. Not sure if it is sand or fog. Okay. It has just started to come up all of a sudden now. It can be fog, but still I'm not sure. So we will be coming back tomorrow here again in the morning for the camel ride. So we didn't do that today because we were busy watching the desert festival happening. It's the last day today, so we decided to watch that instead of doing camel ride today. So after reaching the resort, I'll share the details with you all about the charges and everything. Okay, so at the moment we are just waiting for our jeep to come to pick us up. We are now back here in the hotel, and this is the snacks they are serving at the moment. So they have the tomato soup, this is cauliflower and mixed veg pakoda. Then they have some bhel, papad and also pav bhaji and tea and coffee. So this is what they are serving at this moment. So this is snacks before dinner, and this is their sitting area. And now we are sitting there. So this is what we have taken: some pakodas, soup, bhel and papad, soup and tea.
This is sabudana papad.
Oh.
Then bhel, and then bhajia, 2 pieces of bhajia I took, and then the soup and tea. That much.
How's it?
Many varieties are there.
How's the taste?
Good one. Everything is. It's like
Tea?
Tea is also good.
So we are now done having snacks and all, and now we are back. We are going back in our room, and we'll have bath and all, because all that sand is inside our hair and all. You need thorough bath after a safari ride. And now we are here back, and another thing is that from here we are getting full moon. Today is a full moon.
Today is
And
full moon,
I'll just
yes.
show you all the
And people
view.
did bath today. We had sand bath.
So this here, look at it, so beautiful it is. So actually we would have gotten a nice night view if we would have been at the dunes at this moment, because on full moons it seemed that the view on the sand dunes and all is really good.
On that event, that program is there, na? They invited us, na?
Yeah.
Just now they said, na, to come. That Kabir group.
Yeah, so I told you right that the desert festival is not yet over. So one more show is left, which I was telling, right, from 8 o'clock to 10 p.m. So there's this band, Kabir Cafe Band, and they are going to be performing there in the sand dunes. And coincidentally, this band is staying in our resort only. So we just met them, and they were like doing their preparations, and at 8 o'clock they are going to be performing. But sadly, we are not going back to the sand dunes, because, well, the ride, I tell you, was so bumpy. I banged my head on the road twice, and now my head is like literally aching. And well, it's even like now started to get even bit more cold. And imagine being in the sand dunes till 10 o'clock at night. It would be really very cold. Okay, so because of that, we have decided to stay in the resort only and enjoy the performance that are happening inside. So when we came, there was this music going on, like singers were singing, and it was really pleasant. So at the moment they are like just entertaining, but the main cultural event is going to start at like 8:30. So we'll freshen up and then we'll go back and then enjoy the show. So yep, see you all.
साजन आवत देख कर बातों तोड़ी दियो कलहार लोग जाने मैं मोती चूर मैं तो झुकी झुकी कर जवार चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा सोने जैसी बात एक तुई धन्यवाद है कोई बाकी सब गंगा हंसते हंसते हर गम से लम बाजी तेरी अदा तेरे नाम हंसते हंसते हर गम से लम
हो मारो जला लो बिला लो मारो मारो मत वालो मारो केसरियो बलम घर आव सीरे बेरन रे ओ मारो जला लो बिला लो मारो मारो मत वालो मारो केसरी